The need for high-performance solar modules has led PV manufacturers to explore solar cell design and develop optimal solutions. To meet this demand, Zoeast PV has introduced the M182 Topcon 16BB solar cell series, which incorporates multiple bus bars, an innovative design modification for improving performance. Utilizing the multi-bus bar technology, our product, which has 16 bus bars, has lower resistance and improved current flow. As more bus bars are printed on a cell, the space between them shortens, thereby shortening the length that the current flows. Hence, the energy losses resulting from resistance are reduced. The product line features 8 models, and each cell has a large size of 182 mm. This big-sized cell can provide more substantial output compared to the smaller ones. Our product can generate up to 8.09 watts of power per cell. Another innovative technology that this cell employs is the Topcon design. It uses the basic design of the PERC technology, but includes an additional ultra-thin layer of silicon dioxide, which helps it gain a lower temperature coefficient and higher efficiency than conventional cells. Other notable features of this cell's bus bar include silver plating that helps improve current conductivity while reducing oxidation at the same time, as well as blue silicon nitride with an anti-reflection coating, which reduces optical losses and enhances surface passivation, leading to a high efficiency rating of 24.5%. All of these allow our product to have outstanding power output even in low light or high temperature conditions. With a focus on quality and professionalism, Zoeast PV aims to become a trusted market leader in the solar industry. As a vertically integrated manufacturer of high-performance solar energy products, we have built 30 cell production lines with a capacity of up to 5 gigawatts.